Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation on manifesting the future of our dreams. Please sit or lie down, finding a comfortable position where your back is straight and your sit bones are rooted to the floor. When you're ready, let your eyes fall gently closed. Imagine a string tied to the top of your head, gently tugging you upward, straightening your spine. Now imagine the string is cut and your weight settles back down firmly on your sit bones, and your head stays balanced atop. Let's really sink in here and let ourselves get cozy. Try and forget about your body. If you find any points of tension, you can gently readjust your position so you release them. Don't worry too much about getting it just right. You're here now, and that's what matters. Now focus on your breath. Take a big, deep breath of life-filled air. Take a couple more sips in, filling yourself all the way up. Now hold it. Squeeze in your stomach and squeeze in your back. Now release and be graced by a wave of good feeling. Take another deep breath in, all the way. Hold it, hold it, and release. Now let your breath come back to a steady, natural rhythm. As we sit here, breathing, I want you to think of something specific that you would like to manifest in your life. Maybe it's a creative project you'd like to complete, or a healthy relationship you'd like to see appear, or the abundance that you'd like to see in your life. The more specific and the more positive this thing is, the better. Now, firstly, I want you to realize and fully know that you deserve it, whatever it is. Really know that. You deserve it. Now I want you to think of a future where this has happened. And I want you to find yourself. Maybe you have the home of your dreams. Maybe you work in the office of your dream job. Or you sit in your study holding your completed work of art. Whatever it is, and wherever it is, picture yourself in this setting as clearly as you can. I want you to remember this. Capture this image of yourself in your future clearly. Now, having imagined this in utmost clarity and having set our intention for the future we want to manifest, let's set it aside for a moment. I want you to focus on your solar plexus. This is the spot at the center of your chest, directly between your navel and your heart's center. Imagine there's a golden ball of light, a whirlpool of swirling, shimmering currents of energy, rotating within and through your chest, centered at your solar plexus, a few inches beneath your skin. See this golden, glowing vortex rotating clockwise. Feel its energy in your chest. Now, see that surrounding you and the room you're in is an infinite universe which stretches out and out in every direction. See that this universe is centered around your solar plexus. You are the center of your universe. Now see that this universe and all its molecules are entirely made up of energy. See every square centimeter of that universe filled with energy. I want you to begin drawing that energy in towards your body, letting it gather at your solar plexus. Feel the bright, white, life force energy streaming in through your crown, through your heart, and through all your body's meridians. Holding on to this, retaining your constant reception of universal life force energy. Call back the image we discovered of your future self, living in the universe we want to bring into being. Imagine this version of yourself meditating with us. Imagine them only meters away, right in front of you. Now, harness the energy we've been collecting at our solar plexus and beam it outward to connect with your future self's solar plexus. Allow the universal energy to flow through you, and out to this version of yourself. You've become a conduit of universal life force. Feel the flow of energy. Now, as you hold this energetic tether to your future self, I want you to remind yourself of all they've accomplished, all the dreams which they've made a reality. I want you to see the world and how it's changed for the better, not only for you, but for everyone. I want you to go into their body. Feel what it's like to be them. Feel the emotions which come with having achieved your dreams. Feel the joy and the passion with which they live their life. Feel the ease that fills their day, having achieved those dreams and having nothing to want for. Imagine the love they feel for those in their life. Imagine how grateful they are. Imagine how big their heart is. Really feel it. And look back from their body to see yourself now through space and time, sending energy towards them. And I want you to feel the gratitude they have for you, the love they have for you, for doing this work, for spending the time to make them possible. They love you so much, and they're so proud of you for everything you've done and for doing this. They have so much love in their heart. They want you to have it too. Feel that. Feel it deeply. Now, returning to your own perspective, hold on to the moment. Continue pulling universal life force energy Hold your energetic projection emanating from your solar plexus and connecting with that of your future self. See the equanimity on their face. See the life that they live. And know that you can have that too. You already are that person. You can bring that joy, that happiness, that love into your life right now. You deserve that peace. Just breathe here. You can come back here anytime. This future version of yourself will always be available for you to connect with anytime. Any day, any place. Just call them back. Feel their love. Feel their joy. Bring it into your heart and draw that future towards yourself. I want you to know that you deserve this future of your dreams. You deserve the happiness that you want. And I want you to know that you are loved. Now gently open your eyes. Namaste.